looks like they're going to Saigon. Here's the plane.
How many hours? Been up 26 hours.
Been up 26 hours. And there's Vietnam down there. You see some light, some city. 12:45 a.m. Should be landing pretty soon here. Alright, it's my job to film this. And here's what I want to film. This video has 1, 2, 3, 4 carry-on, other bags, hat tag, cowboy hats.
Cowboy hat, yeah.
So we're waiting on one more box for Bill, or bag.
Big couple.
And then we're waiting on Smitty's bag. But here's what it looks like in the Saigon Ho Chi Minh Airport terminal bag pickup.
Almost 150.
150.
Still not changing time. Don't worry about it. Hey, Sushi.
Hey.
Oh,
There you go.
lady first, lady.
Hey.
Kêu lòng ngon là một chén à.
While we drive from the airport to District 1 in Saigon, let's talk a little bit about safety in Vietnam. In my opinion, Vietnam is a very safe country. The Vietnamese government takes a heavy hand on those who victimize tourists. Remember, tourism is a multi-million-dollar business in Vietnam. Like anywhere, safety in numbers is the best policy. Go with your friends to the restaurants, to the bars, to the clubs. Stay together and watch out for each other. Try not to flash that gold necklace. Guys in scooters will come by and snatch it off your neck and keep on going. Same with your cameras. Always have a lanyard on your camera or your GoPro, because they'll come by and swipe it off your hand. My policy is never do anything stupid in a foreign country. I've seen this firsthand in Mexico. And there's that former Marine in Russia who's doing 10 years for hitting a cop. You don't want to be stuck in a foreign prison, that's for sure. There are many cab companies in Vietnam. You can either go by car or motor scooter. I prefer the car. Some cab companies are better than others. Best thing to do is when you get in the taxi, show them on the map where you want to go. Ask the cab person how much. Make sure they give you an answer how much. How many dong will it take you go from point A to point B. If they don't give you a price, just get out of the cab. There's another one nearby. One time I had this taxi driver take me 6 miles out of the way when the route was only 1 mile to my destination. Tipping is not a city in China. If you get good service, give a good tip. Besides, it's only a couple dollars. And lastly, make sure you get everything from the taxi. Your luggage, your cell phone, your cameras, anything you brought inside, because once that taxi leaves, you will never see it again. The lights that you see is the setting up for the Lunar New Year. This year is the year of the rat. The Lunar New Year is a great time to visit Vietnam. The place is decorated, everyone's in their best clothing. It's just a great time, very beautiful. Downside is a lot of shops close because people are going home for the Lunar New Year. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Remember, no excuse. Go travel. Never too old to see the world.